Hi guys, today we're live in Mansfield subdivision, Angelo City, Barangay Santo Domingo, and we got a few houses for sale here real quick. See, we'll turn this around. Look at this extra lot. Starts from right over there where that tree's at and goes all the way around to the back. 204 square meters. If anybody's interested, that's the contact details for the broker. This is our contact info here with the information. 204 square meters, big backyard, 3 bedroom, 1 bath, extra lot to the left included. It's a single detached, means no other house is included. As you can see, there's no house attached. And we're going to take a walk around and show you some more. Oh, because it switched. Sorry about that, guys. Went from Wi-Fi to cell tower. A lot of people do gates. You can do gates or do a wall around the houses of your choice. So many different designs. A lot of people have a dog. They have cats. Cats and dogs. Dogs and cats. Hello, good morning. You want to go straight or you want to turn left here? This way? See if there's any houses. I want to see where the houses are for rent on the side. Over there, I saw it, no? No. On that street. There's none over here, I don't think. If anybody has any questions, just let us know in the chat. Or make a comment. And we'll get back to you. We'll answer. This one used to be for sale or rent. What happened? Good morning. God bless. Hello, good morning. Morning. What's that? Suzuki, yeah. That's one of their higher end models, I'm sure. The other ones are plastic, the little ones are little jimmies and stuff. Yeah. Alright, we just walked down Coral Street. Now we're going down Sierra, I believe it is, street. A little windy today, nice breeze. See some corner lots, they have extra room. Extra room for parking, or if you want to put a pool, or if you have kids. You gotta find a house with an extra lot for your kids, or if you have pets. For the kids you can put, swing set, play area. You can put a pool on the ground, they let you put pools. Some people are doing solar now. Just a few panels can probably cut your bill in half. A few more panels and you can pretty much come off the grid here. Chroma. Sorry about the bumping around a little bit. I'm trying to hold the camera. Oh. There's a Ranger pickup. That's nice. The only problem with Fords here is getting parts. I've heard horror stories of dispatch trying to get parts for their vehicles if it's Ford or Chevy or something like that. Even though they sell them here, they're dealers, but good luck getting major parts. Accessories probably a lot easier, but Toyota, Honda, what's the other brand? Hyundai. No, Hyundai's Korean. I know. Only the Japanese model cars. Yeah, Suzuki too, but it's not really good quality for the most part, from what I'm hearing online.
Mitsubishi.
Yeah, Mitsubishi's popular too. All those Japanese models, you can get parts pretty easily here.
And Chinese.
Some, yeah, some. You would think Chinese would be easier, but
The Chinese car, all better than it.
you got the, what is it, the kind of car, Geely? Geely is the one, the Japanese car dealer. Yeah, yeah, Geely's Chinese. I don't see too many other houses for rent or sale today. Must be a hard demand. I mean, a lot of demand for housing right now, especially quality rentals in a secure subdivision like Mansfield subdivision here. Andrew, they have 24-hour security. Really nice rec center with a pool, workout room, event center. Figured we'd take you along today. Show you around during the daytime. Hopefully we don't overheat. A lot of the bloggers know what I mean. The vloggers, some of the cameras, they overheat and shut down on you. And then you lose some footage. Look at little girl. Little girl's umbrella. It looks cute. Yeah. It's like the little ladies wear the umbrellas for the heat and everything. Hello, good morning. So cute. You want me to wait here? Or? Okay. Just ask first, huh? Here they're building, I'm not sure what kind of houses. Looks like maybe it's bungalow, or maybe they only built the first floor so far, I don't know. Here's two of the models they're building now. Marigold, 3-bedroom, and the other one down there, Russet. They're building these right now. This is a nice big house. Kind of modern design on the sides anyway. Nice fencing. I like the fencing a lot. And over there is the pool and rec center. On the other side of the trees right there is the pool and the big pavilion rec center. Sounds hot. It's gonna be in the 90s again today here. Today's Sunday. Probably gonna be in the 90s. Everybody's having a good night or morning where you're at. It's morning here on Sunday. Maybe where you're at, if you're in the US or something, it's probably still Saturday evening or Saturday night. We're about 12 hours ahead, maybe 13 hours ahead. Hello! Because of daylight savings time. Usually it says 12 hours difference. But during daylight savings time, it's 13 hours difference. We're 13 hours ahead. There's the guy with the cart calling himself some kind of drink, soybean drink, and usually sells eggs, fresh eggs every morning. Goes around through the whole subdivision. We probably have about 15, maybe more sorry stores they call.